our content objective is students will describe how weather and seasonal patterns affect our activities. And our language objective is students will differentiate between the different seasons and describe how seasonal patterns affect our activities in small group discussions. So, before I move on, when I say I want you guys to describe the weather and seasonal patterns, when I say describe, I want you to be able to tell me what it looks like, what it smells like, what you hear. I just want you to use your words to tell me what you're trying to say. And then in our language objective, when I say differentiate between the different seasons, that means I want you to tell me the difference of the 2 seasons or the 4 seasons. I want you to tell me what's different from winter, from summer, what makes them different. So, and we'll talk more about that when we get to that. But before we get started, I just want to give you a heads up on a few things that we're going to be doing. We're going to, one of the activities is you'll get a piece of paper and it'll have a month on the top. And this one just happens to be November. So, and you'll get one of the 12 months of the year. You might get December, January, February. And so I see November and I see pumpkins and a haystack. And then I see animals, nature, weather, holiday, and food. So I'll draw the holidays that are in November, the foods that I might eat, what the weather looks like, and everyone will fill one of these out. Everyone will have a different month. And then we'll stand up and we'll share. And then another thing we'll be doing is, this says, how do seasons affect ... your clothing, school, your food, animals around you, and plants around you. So you'll get this in an assigned season. Everyone will have a different season. Some people might have the same. And then in the blanks down here, you'll answer the questions from the top. So you'll answer all those, and then we'll also share that. Do we have any questions? We'll go more in depth when the time comes. To get started, we're going to play a game called Stand and Share. And how this is going to work is everyone's going to stand up, and I'm going to ask a question, and then I'm going to call on just anyone random, and you're going to give me your answer to that question. Now, if anyone else that is standing has the same answer of the person that just told me their answer, then you can sit down as well after that person talks. But if that wasn't your answer, then you remain standing until we hear all the answers and everyone is sitting down. So, do we have any questions before I start the game? Okay, so let's all stand up. And the question is, what is your favorite season and why? So, I'll wait till everyone's standing. And then, obviously, by students, we play for like 7 minutes until everyone got the chance to share and everyone's seated. Okay, since I don't have students, I'll just act like everyone shared and sat down. Okay. Thank you everyone for sharing. I loved hearing all of your reasons why those were your favorite seasons.